What's the meaning of apostle? Apostle. Apostle.
Apostle. Apostle. An apostle is a messenger or ambassador, especially one who is sent on a religious mission. In Christianity, the term specifically refers to the 12 disciples chosen and commissioned by Jesus Christ to spread his teachings and establish the church. Apostles are considered to be the highest-ranking officials in the early church, and their writings form a significant portion of the New Testament. Today, the term is often used more broadly to refer to any influential advocate or promoter of a particular cause or idea. Overall, an apostle is someone who is recognized for their leadership, authority, and ability to inspire and guide others.